Hello friends, welcome to today's session on quadratic equations. In this session I am going to solve third and fourth questions for you from exercise 4.3 chapter 4. So let's read the question first. Find the roots of the following equations. X minus 1 by x is equal to 3, x is not equal to 0. So for solving this equation we are going to use the quadratic equation formula to find the roots. First let's simplify this and write it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So we'll try to write it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then the roots become minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, first let's write it in this form. X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. So if I take LCM, x square minus 1 is equal to 3. That implies x square minus 1 is equal to 3x, and that implies x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, this equation. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Now let's substitute these values in this formula. Okay, what will happen? Minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 1 divided by 2 into a is 1, that is equal to minus of minus 3 becomes 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 square is 9 minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4 divided by 2. So that is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 4 is 13 divided by 2. So the two roots are 3 plus root 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2. So these are the two roots for this equation. Now let's move to the second part of this question. We'll use the same formula here also. But first of all, let's write this equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And then we'll solve it using the quadratic equation formula. So let's take the LCM. X plus 4 into x minus 7. X minus 7 minus x plus 4 is equal to 11 by 30. That implies x minus 7 minus x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Okay, here x gets cancelled. Minus 7 plus minus 4 is minus 11. Minus 11 by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So 11 gets cancelled here. Now it becomes minus 30. So it goes to this side, and if we multiply it this ways, so it becomes x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to minus 30. Okay, now if we expand this equation, x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. That implies x square minus 7 plus 4x is minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, the equation becomes x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 2. Now we know the formula for the roots, right? The formula for the roots is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula for the square roots, for the roots of the equation. So I'll substitute these values in this equation. Minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 2 divided by 2a, 2 into 1, that is equal to minus of minus 3 is 3 plus or minus square root of b square is 9 minus 4 2 is 8 divided by 2. That is equal to 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8 is square root of 1 divided by 2. That implies 3 plus or minus 1 by 2. So the roots are 3 plus 1 by 2 and 3 minus 1 by 2. That is 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2, or 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So the two roots are 2 and 1. So the two roots of this equation are 2 and 1. Hope this is clear for you. Now let's move to the fourth question. The sum of the reciprocals of Rayman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So let us assume Rayman's age to be R years now. Okay, R years now. We will assume Rayman's age to be R years now. Now it's said that 3 years ago the sum of the reciprocals of Rayman's age 3 years ago. What will be the reciprocal of Rayman's age 3 years ago? R minus 3, 1 by R minus 3 plus 5 years from now it will be 1 by R plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So this is the equation we have to solve. We will get a quadratic equation by solving this, and we can find the roots to find the Rayman's age. So let's take the LCM. R minus 3 into R plus 5 is equal to R plus 5 plus R minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So that implies 2R plus 2 divided by R minus 3 into R plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So we'll multiply it this way. So 3 into 2R plus 2 is equal to R minus 3 into R plus 5. Okay, 3 2s are 6R plus 6 is equal to R square plus 5R minus 3R minus 15. So it becomes R square, this goes to this side, R square plus 5R minus 3R is plus 2R minus 15 minus 6R minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now it becomes R square plus 2R minus 6R is minus 4R minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21 is equal to 0. Now we'll try to factorize, we'll use the method of factorization to solve this equation. So let us split the middle term as the factors of 21. R square minus 7R plus 3R minus 21 is equal to 0. R into R minus 7 plus 3 into R minus 7 is equal to 0. So R plus 3 into R minus 7 is equal to 0. So it implies either R is equal to minus 3 or R is equal to 7. Since Rayman's age cannot be a negative number, we will not consider this case. So we will take Rayman's age as 7 years. So what is Rayman's present age? It is 7 years. Hope this is clear for you. You just have to understand how to formulate this equation by studying the problem. That's all. Once you formulate this equation, you can easily solve this equation by factorization method or by completing the squares method, or you can use the quadratic formula method also. Here I have used the factorization method to solve this problem. That's all for this session. You can refer to other videos for more solved questions from this exercise. And please subscribe to the channel and share the videos. And please leave your feedback in the comment section below. Until then, see you.